Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about Nala. Nala is a similar but slightly better type of application in regards to APT. So what I'm talking about, if I go to the terminal and type sudo apt or apt and do upgrade, if I press enter and put the password, you'll see that what it shows is the name of the applications that need to be upgraded, how many they are to be upgraded, and the size of the archives or the applications. But let's say you want to know what version of the application that you want to install it. You want to know individually what is the size of the application itself, and you want to keep it like a record. Let's say you want to do a screenshot in case one of the applications by some reason it doesn't work properly, and you want to know what version was before you did the update. But as you can see, you cannot see that. With Nala you can do that. So let's type sudo Nala upgrade, press enter. Now as you can see here, when I do that, it gives me where it's coming from, then it will give me the name of the application, the old version that I have installed, and the new version that is going to be installed, and also the size of the file, script, application, whatever. And it also tells me at the bottom here that is for package, and the total size is 62.5 megabytes. So Nala compared to APT, it's much better, not just on a looking and feeling, because it does look better, but it gives you much more information when you are looking for a specific type of information. Let's say the version, as I said, of the application, the size, if there is any dependencies, let's say sometimes it will show up also, but you can see the full information of every single application and the size. And the way it displays is very nice, neat, and you can understand that. The APT is not the same, so there is a big difference on the way that it shows and the way it sort of kind of separates the location of where it's supposed to come from, the upgrade or the update, depending, because in this case I need to upgrade, not update, and all the description that you need to know about any single application that you're gonna install. For that reason, I believe you guys should try, because the APT is very limited and it has been like this for many years, so it's not really much of a change as far as I can remember. And this application Nala, you can install, I would say, in any Debian operation system. I also install on a Linux Mint, but the Debian one, not the Ubuntu version, and it also works, so I may do a video about that too. so you guys can see, but it's not really much different. It's just that with this one here, as you can see on the very top here on a software side, you'll see that I'm working with fish, and the way it displays by using Nala, it is really nice. But let's say you want to use on bash, you prefer to use on bash, why not? So let's clear this. Let's type bash, and now I am on bash. So if I do the same, sudo apt upgrade, as you can see, it looks the same way as it was on fish. It says the name of the application, how many, and the size. So now let's try Nala. Sudo Nala upgrade. As you can see, the way it displays on a fish shell is the same that it does on bash. So there is no difference. But it does look better compared to the apt. There are also many command keys that you can use it, but I would advise you not to use the fetch, because the fetch can cause you some issues, because with the fetch it gives you other functions that may affect the performance of the application when you're doing a search for updates or upgrades, because it can go for many repositories, which will take minutes until it does the updates. So you're gonna find some kind of situation that you're gonna have to wait for 3, 4, 5 minutes until it does the full search on an entire global websites or repositories, in this case of Debian. So beware of that. And so yeah, that's what I just wanted to show you guys, because it is an alternative which it display more in details the way, or a better way to look for applications, the way display all information and so on. And also, it's not just that looks better, it performs better. But there are some cons, like I just said, the fetch. The fetch, I'm not gonna even show you how to do it, because you shouldn't do that unless you know what you're doing, and then you want to try. Yeah, go for it, but I won't advise you, because it really gonna make it very slow, because before it does any updates, it will search for every repository globally. Then when he found all the repositories, then he will do the update. So beware of that. And that's it. So it was just a quick video to show you that you can use let me just come back to fish. That you can use an alternative to some of any other application that you may get used to it, or you got, well, in this case you got used to it, and you're trying to find something similar or something better. And Nala is a slightly better version of apt, let's say that, because it's just the only difference is when you do sudo apt, instead of that you're gonna do sudo Nala and then whatever else you want to do, because you can do Nala and then you can do like purge, you can do remove, you can do fetch, which I just said. Yeah, you can do the same things that you do with apt. It's just that it looks better, it's more informative when it comes to the applications. And yeah, that's it. It's just a quick video to show you guys what you can sort of kind of use instead of something that you are used to, and what are the benefits. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.